Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. If you're a content creator, vlogger, or filmmaker, you're going to love this. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This compact powerhouse is expected to bring some serious upgrades, making it one of the best pocket-sized cameras for on-the-go shooting. While nothing is officially confirmed yet, multiple leaks and industry rumors suggest that DJI is refining its winning formula rather than completely overhauling the design. But make no mistake, these refinements could significantly enhance usability, performance, and the overall shooting experience. Bigger and better OLED display. One of the standout rumored upgrades for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is the introduction of a 2.5-inch rotating OLED display. Compared to the 2-inch screen on the Pocket 3, this new display could make framing shots much easier, particularly in bright outdoor conditions. Reports suggest a resolution of 480 x 800 pixels with a peak brightness of 800 nits, ensuring superior visibility in direct sunlight. If DJI also improves the rotation mechanism and durability, this could be a game changer for vloggers who rely on flexibility and ease of use. Massive image quality boost with a 1-inch sensor, another major leak points, to a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant upgrade from the previous generation. This larger sensor would greatly enhance low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. Pair that with a 20mm f2.0 lens, and we could see even sharper, more detailed footage, bringing the Pocket 4 closer to high-end compact cameras. If true, this could make it a must-have for creators looking for professional quality video in a small form factor. At 240 FPS for super smooth slow motion. For those who love cinematic slow motion footage, the Osmo Pocket 4 might be a dream come true. Leaks suggest support for 4K at an impressive 240 frames per second, a feature usually reserved for high-end mirrorless cameras. Additionally, the Pocket 4 could introduce 10-bit D-Log-M and HDR recording, providing better color accuracy, improved dynamic range, and more flexibility in post-production. Revolutionized autofocus with eye tracking and active track. 7.0 autofocus has been a key area of improvement in DJI's camera lineup, and the Pocket 4 is rumored to feature phase detection autofocus and eye tracking technology. This could mean faster, more accurate focusing, making it easier than ever to lock onto subjects. Paired with Active Track 7.0, which is expected to improve subject tracking accuracy and responsiveness, vloggers and solo creators will find it much easier to stay in focus while filming dynamic content. Longer battery life and rapid charging. One of the biggest drawbacks of the Pocket 3 was its battery life, but the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to improve upon this significantly. Leaks suggest a battery life of up to 200 minutes, compared to 166 minutes on the Pocket 3. Additionally, faster charging could allow users to fully charge the device in just 25 minutes, a massive advantage for those who need to shoot extended sessions without long breaks. Next-level stabilization for ultra-smooth footage. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature an upgraded mechanical 3-axis stabilization system, enhanced with electronic stabilization for ultra-smooth footage. This hybrid stabilization approach could be a game-changer for vloggers, action shooters, and filmmakers who need rock-steady video without additional gimbals. Sleek, portable design with improved ergonomics. While the Pocket 4 is rumored to be slightly larger than its predecessor at around 190 dojing, the increase in size is likely to accommodate the larger display and upgraded internals. DJI may also improve grip texture and button layout, enhancing ergonomics and usability for extended shooting sessions. Faster connectivity and new accessories. Connectivity is another area that may see upgrades. The Pocket 4 could support Wi-Fi 6, allowing for faster file transfers and low-latency streaming. This would make sharing footage on social media or transferring files to your smartphone faster and more seamless than ever. Additionally, DJI is rumored to introduce new modular accessories, allowing users to customize their setup according to their shooting style. Expected price and release date. There's no official confirmation yet, but leaks suggest that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could be priced similarly to the Pocket 3 at launch, around $500 to $600. The release date is speculated to be sometime in the last quarter of the year, aligning with DJI's typical launch cycles. However, until DJI makes an official announcement, take this information with a grain of salt. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 worth the hype? With rumored improvements like a larger OLED screen, a 1-inch sensor, enhanced autofocus, better stabilization, and extended battery life, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could be one of the best compact cameras of 2025. If all these features turn out to be true, it could dominate the pocket-sized camera market and be a top choice for creators who want high-quality video in a compact form factor. What do you think about these rumored features? Is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 worth the wait? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on the latest tech trends, right here on Techno Trend Zone.